Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram story better quality. Now I get it, you take all this time creating an awesome video and you upload it to your story only to have it pixelated and blurry and not really crisp. I'm going to walk you through steps to get a really crisp, high quality story video. Now, the first thing that we'll do is we'll open up our settings on our iPhone. You can do the same steps on Android as well. And we will just scroll down until we get to camera here. Now, the key is to make sure that the camera on your iPhone or Android is recording at the highest quality. So here it says record video. I'm going to tap on that. And you want to choose the highest quality. In my instance, it's 4K at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. So you want to choose the highest resolution here. And in slow-mo, if you're recording in slow-mo, you want to choose the highest resolution on here as well. So after we do that, you can be sure that when you're recording on your phone, it's very high resolution and high quality. Now, what we'll do is hop out of here and open up the Instagram app. And on the bottom right, we will tap on the profile icon and then the three lines at the top right. And then choose settings here at the very top. And then towards the bottom there, we'll choose account. Now on here, Instagram has hidden the ability to upload high quality videos to your story. And it's in the data usage category at the bottom here. So I'll tap on that and you can see high quality uploads is an option. So all I have to do is toggle that on and it says upload higher quality videos on cellular or Wi-Fi. So you go through these two different processes and then record that awesome video, upload it to your story, and it should be really crisp and clear. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.